I have this new mold. It's from Let's Resin. It came in this nice box, which was pretty cool. And I think they're so cute. And I think I'm going to do this in layers because it's thick. It's not that thick, but I get really worried, and I like to do the layers when it's a little bit thicker. First layer, clear. Now I have this skull that I've been just adding my extras in. Let's see what we got here. For the bubbles, I just have this little thing. It doesn't always work the best. I might have to get my torch out because that's not popping anything. You want to barely touch it if you use the torch, because the torch can get really hot. Okay, next up, this is going to be a big video reveal of all these. See, I didn't torch that, but it's on the inside, so I'm not too worried. And this one, I'm going to add some glitter. Just Walmart glitter. Trying to work fast because it's warm in here, but not too warm, I don't think. Glitter. When you use that in resin, of course, that just makes it get hotter faster. You're adding something else in when it's doing a reaction, you know, chemical reaction. But let's see how this looks. Okay. The hardest part, oh, there's a little hair on there, is the fingers. Always the fingers. These, I want to see what it looks like with the glitter. Hold on. And let's see. It's coming out the end a little bit, just a tad bit too full. So what you could do is, I'll grab like an old rubber glove and then just take some out. It's kind of a mess when you do this, but 90% of the time I could fix them. So there we go. And then you just don't want that on the lip. Just take some out. It's okay. There. These are little guys and they stick in an egg. But I haven't ever done them before. It's something to test out. Go. Oop, oop, oop. Got him a little too much. Okay. So, you make a mistake like that, that's a pretty bad one. This is how I fix it, and just be prepared with another. This is a older resin, but I love this little lizard guy. So what I'm going to do is go like this. Okay, that'll be the first layer for that one. Set him aside. Okay. Now, just wipe it off the best you can. The top. When this all dries, I'll take a piece of tape and you could get that top part off. But I think I saved it enough. I could try to pour more. I think that's good. All right, save this guy. I've never poured. You'll just get a layer. And then I'll do another layer later on. Alright, now we just 24 hours, we could start revealing some of these, not all of them, but some. Using the Deco Color Premium. It's a very good metallic gold that I've used before. So I'm just going to, you gotta hit the tip to get it started. And then I'm going to do a couple little designs because this has been dry for a while now. And I'm just doing some squiggles. Gives it a cool 3D extra little look. Not drawing on the mold, just the Just the epoxy. Squiggle marks, nothing too exciting, but it looks neat at the end. Okay, and just let that dry, and then you can pour the next coat on. I'm going to fill this with this pink iridescent glitter, and I just got it at Walmart. It's Pink Party. I don't know. You see these at Walmart. Pretty good deals. The iridescent really work well. I might have put a little bit too much resin because you got to mix that around good. Light torching. Keep it moving. You can't stay still on that one. Again, I'm going to use the Walmart Pink Party glitter. Here, I'm going to mix up a little more. Oh my gosh. Went to sit down, my seat wasn't there. Well, I do have tarp on my floor for a reason. Can't believe that happened. I went to sit down and my chair was just not there. All right, let's get back to this. Alrighty, we get to see what that one looks like tomorrow. This is the little lizard I started. This is second layer using a light blue glitter. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh no! I see the... Okay, so I already noticed that the tail isn't correct. I'm going to stop, push it back down, and the next time I pour, I'm going to just get that spot. And then I could think this feels thin. So that's what you could do to fix your little lizard here. Okay, so check the edges. Everything looks okay. Ooh. You could see the little gold down in there. I might take the gold and go on the eyes and stuff. Do a little decoration. It's not totally done yet. This one's going to be tricky because it's got a lot of spots in here. It's not pulling away easily. I don't want to break an arm off. Go around the back. That's what usually helps, but it's hard right here, so I can't really pull very easily. This one's a little tough, I must say. Okay, get that. You could go in the back part. Oh, wow. Wow, it's tough. This one I was most excited about, too. I see it separating, so that's good. This has to separate. Come on, you. Come on. Oh, that tail. I gotta get the head part first, I think. I think if I get the head out, I'll be okay. Wow, this one's tough. If you get this, it's gonna be a little work, but let's hope it's worth it, right? There. Okay, okay. I think I've worked it out enough. Woohoo! Okay. Woo! All right. Let's see. Doo-doo-doo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at his little face. Wow, that's neat. It's so smooth too, that's good. See, there's a little bit right here on his foot, and usually you could just pick that away. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Got a big one for my mom for Christmas because we just love these little guys. I see there's a little, maybe, I can't tell if it's in the mold or air bubble till I do the next one, but it's not that noticeable right there. Oh, look how cute that is.